A new tool in Global Mapper Pro version 25.1 can automatically identify and mark ground control points in images. After loading your images into Pixels to Points, click the Ground Control Points button to open the manager. Once your ground control points are loaded, Global Mapper will populate the suggested images list with images that overlap with the selected point. Use the Define Target and Image button to identify the ground control point by clicking on the center of the target and dragging the mouse outwards to encompass the marker. This process uses a method of shape detection to identify similar features in the other images. If the features are unique, they can be automatically placed with the new ground control point tool. Based on its assessment, Global Mapper will color code the images based on its confidence in point identification. Placed ground control points can be saved for future processing in a Pixels to Points project file. To learn more about ground control points in Global Mapper, read the blog on this topic available at bluemarblegeo.com. If you're considering Global Mapper, download a free trial today.